We begin with the U.S. Justice Department's decision not to file federal charges against the NYPD officer involved in the chokehold death of Eric Garner.
The decision was announced by U.S. attorneys a short time ago. CBS 2's Jenna DeAngelis is live in downtown Brooklyn with the latest this noon. Jenna?
Chris and Mary, the U.S. attorney said there was a tremendous amount of discussion about what to do in this case. Sources say the Civil Rights Division wanted to bring charges, but prosecutors with the Eastern District disagreed, and ultimately the Attorney General made the final decision.
The evidence here does not support charging police officer Daniel Pantaleo or any other officer with a federal criminal civil rights violation.
This is the video that went viral, and sources tell CBS News Attorney General William Barr watched it multiple times before he overruled his own Civil Rights Division in deciding not to pursue charges against Officer Daniel Pantaleo.
De Blasio, what's up? When are you going to fire this officer?
An outcome Eric Garner's emotional family hoped they would not face, especially on the eve of the 5-year anniversary of his death.
This is an outrage, an insult to injury. You killed my son, and you won't get away with it.
Right before the announcement, Garner's family met with U.S. attorneys to learn what would happen to Officer Pantaleo, accused of placing Garner in a chokehold back in 2014 while attempting to arrest him on Staten Island for allegedly selling loose, untaxed cigarettes. Garner died following that confrontation, which was captured on camera, along with his words, "I can't breathe."
And today we can't breathe because they have let us down.
After Garner's death, a Staten Island grand jury declined to indict Pantaleo on criminal charges. Today's decision comes just a day before the Department of Justice deadline to file federal charges against the officer.
An officer's mistake, fear, misperception, or even poor judgment does not constitute willful conduct under federal criminal civil rights law.
Since the 2014 incident, Officer Pantaleo has been on desk duty. He has denied using a chokehold. Union officials and his lawyers said it was a takedown maneuver taught at the police academy. They blamed Garner's death on his poor health. A department disciplinary hearing wrapped up last month. Once the department makes a determination, Pantaleo's fate then lies with the police commissioner.
We're asking the commissioner to make the right decision.
A short time ago, the NYPD released a statement saying the internal disciplinary case against Officer Pantaleo is ongoing, and today's announcement does not affect this process. We're live in downtown Brooklyn. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.
Jenna, thank you. Following the announcement, Mayor de Blasio issued a statement saying it was a, quote, mistake for New York City to wait years for the federal prosecutors to investigate Garner's death before beginning disciplinary proceedings. He says moving forward, the police department or the Civilian Complaint Review Board will begin the process immediately.